Hey girls, it's Jamie, and today I'm so excited because I get to show you how to tie some scarves, and I'm going to show you what necklines they work best with in some really fun outfits. So I hope you enjoy this, and also if you are not subscribed to our channel, we would love for you to subscribe because we are trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, and you could be really helpful on that. So thank you so much, and remember to love your neighbor and be kind. This is one of my favorite ways to tie a scarf, and I'm calling it the wrap side tie. I did not come up with this, but I wanted to give it a name, and you'll see that it's very fitting. And so I am going to take a very large square scarf because a large scarf was the best option for this tie. And I have just folded it in half here to make a triangle. And I'm going to show you how I do this, and you can either mirror me or follow the instructions because I'm going to tie this on the right, but it can actually be tied on the left as well. So we're going to take each side and we're just going to bring it back, drape it in the front, and wrap each end forward. And I do have a mirror to assist me here. And so just get the scarf how you want it laying in the front with the pattern showing and all that. And I'm going to take the left side and we're going to take the end and pull it through the scarf and just let it lay there. And then we're going to take the right side and do similar thing, but we're just going to bring it halfway through and leave some of it sticking out here so you have a little bit of a loop. And you're going to take the left side and you're going to loop it through the right side, and then you're going to take this end on the right and kind of pull it tight so we get it to where we can actually make a tie around the scarf. And this looks so cute. So we're going to take it, I'm going to show you how I tie a knot. And so I'm going to take the right side and bring it over the left, and then I'm going to take that left one and bring it under. And so now we have a really good tie that you could leave there with just one knot. But I'm going to make a square knot. So I'll show you how I do that. I'm just going to do the opposite of what I did before. I'm going to take the left, I'm going to go over the right, and then I'm going to bring the left one under. And so now we have a knot that is still in the same direction and looks really good. And so that is the end result of the wrap side tie. And you can also tuck this in if you don't want it sticking out. And I just think it's so cute. I like it sticking out because I like ties. But this is fun. It's not super hard. Try it a few times and you will definitely get it. So my favorite way to wear this scarf that's in the wrap side tie is with a collared jacket. And I thought a denim jacket was a great example because a lot of us wear them in the spring and summer. And I love just how it drapes in between the collar. And you can also hide that little tie if you didn't like that. But if you love the scarf like this and the tie, you can absolutely take the jacket off. And I think when you're styling an outfit and putting on a scarf, you have to think about whether it coordinates without the jacket too. So I loved this combination. I just have on a cute little striped sweater that has a higher neckline from Walmart, and then white jeans and yellow sandals to coordinate it all together. I do think the scarf is somewhat of a focal point in the outfit, which I am absolutely okay with. This one is so simple but so pretty. And so I am just taking a medium square scarf here that I have folded in half to make a triangle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it up. But to roll it up, I'm going to do that at the point end so this can be hidden. So I just take the point, I fold it down, and then I continue to roll it up. And this could be easier if you laid it on a surface, but I wanted to show you how I do that. And it gives you a nice flat scarf that's long. And so we're going to take this and put it behind our neck and drape it forward. So this is going to be a tied scarf, but it's going to maybe kind of mimic a necktie, which is cool. So we're going to take this, and you can mirror me or you can follow my instructions, but I'm going to make the left side a little longer, and I'm going to put a knot in this one. So we're just going to make a knot. I don't think it matters really how you do that. And just kind of set it kind of middle of that left side. And then you're going to continue to keep that loop, and you want to take the right side and actually pull it through. And so this is so cool because it allows you to adjust this. You can tighten it, and then you can kind of pull it and make it closer to your neck if you want to. And actually you can make it look like a necktie, which is cool. But you can also loosen it a bit and make it a longer kind of necklace style. And so depending on where you put that knot on the left side or the right side will depend on how these meet. And I don't mind that they are uneven. So I thought this was a great way to have an adjustable style tie that you can do and wear with lots of different things. So my favorite way to wear a scarf as a tie like this is with a button-up shirt. And since you can adjust it, you can make it actually look like a tie that's at the collar, or you can loosen it up and bring it down if you want to and just be a little bit more relaxed. And I actually chose the outfit around the scarf since it had green and pink. I thought I would put my green button-up shirt on from Anthropologie, and then my pink Days wide leg crop jeans, and then just a neutral sandal on. So sometimes you may have a scarf that you love that you want to find pieces that will coordinate very well with it and create an outfit just from your scarf, which is what I did here. I'm going to show you how to tie a classic French knot. And I've just taken a medium square scarf and folded it in half for you. And it makes a triangle. So I'm going to take the tip of the triangle and roll it up from here to make a band. And I like to hide the tip, which is why I start there. And so I'm going to roll this one kind of thick because I like it a little thicker, but you can choose to roll yours however you want to. You just want a flat looking band like this, because we're going to take it and place it on the front of our neck, bring the ends to the back, twist them, and then bring them forward. And then we're going to take this and make one knot. And so I'm going to take the right one over the left and then bring this left one under. So we get a nice little tie there. And this allows us to adjust it and just get it to where we want it on our neck. And I like mine to be just a little to the side, and then we can complete the knot. So now we're going to take the opposite of what we did before. We're going to go left over right, and then we're going to take this right one that we brought and then put it under. So we have a tie that is now going in the right direction, and it just looks really, really pretty. So there is your classic French knot. I thought a scarf tied in the classic French knot was the perfect pairing with a blazer because they are both very classic and sophisticated, and I just thought they were a good pairing. And I love how it looks above the collar of the blazer. And I also chose a scarf that is a little bit more colorful because I'm wearing very neutral navy and white. And so I really like to add a pop of color, especially in the summertime, and I think this is a great way to do it, and it stands out because it's above the blazer. And I also have denim shorts on, which I think a blazer is a fun pairing with to kind of elevate it. So I've really felt like this is a very styled outfit, especially with the scarf. So think about that as you're putting on some of your neutral outfits like this. Even if it's a pair of linen pants that match the jacket, you can really add some color and some fun element to your outfit by adding a great scarf. I thought this was a very interesting way to tie a scarf, and I'm calling it the twisty tie, and it's just fun. So we're taking a medium-sized square scarf, and I folded it in half to make a triangle, and then I'm going to take the tip of the triangle and we're going to roll it up here and just make a band out of it, because then we're going to take this and put it on the front of the neck, take the ends back, twist them, and then bring them forward. And you want to hang on to these. It'll make it a lot easier because we're going to take the part that's around your neck and kind of pull it forward a bit, and then we're going to twist it and make a loop. And then you're going to take the left side and put it through the loop on top, not under, go over, and then we'll go over with the right side as well. And so now you have this cute little knot in front with, it kind of goes to the side. So I just thought it was so pretty. It's loose, but really comfortable. And I really love this one. I think this might be my favorite. So I thought the scarf with the twisty tie was such a fun option just to put on with a crew neck top. And I decided to put on a crew neck yellow t-shirt since I had yellow in the scarf. And I just think it makes the scarf pop. And this is such a neat, intricate tie that's very simple, but it looks interesting. So I thought having the crew neck would not impede on the scarf in any way. It just accentuates it. And the outfit I have on is just a crop t-shirt, and then I have on the green loose linen blend pants that are also the same color that's in the scarf. So I think it all comes together very, very well. And I would choose this over maybe a necklace or some standout earrings because I feel like it makes you look like you put a little bit more effort into the outfit and it elevates it quite a bit. This is going to be a very easy way to tie your scarf, and I'm calling it the necklace scarf. So we're taking a medium-sized scarf that I have folded in half, and I'm going to take the triangle tip here, and we're going to roll this up into a longer band. So it will look like that. And then we're going to take it and put it behind our neck and just let it drape forward. And you want to get it to where these are very even, because now we're going to twist this. And I don't think it matters which side you start with, but I'm going to start with the left over the right. And we're going to just do 1 and 2 turns there. You could go a third if you wanted, but I really like 2 on this one. And then you're going to take the left side that's around your neck and kind of pull it out a little bit and take the left end, put it over that, and then bring it through the part that you created that is a loop, and then pull it. And you can see how it made a little bit of a knot there. We're going to do the same on the right side. So we're going to take the right side out, bring this right side over, and then the right end over, and then bring it through the loop and pull it. So now you can just pull that, and you've got a cute little scarf necklace that you can wear with just about anything. So for summertime, we are going to find a lot of tank style dresses and tops and things, and even V-necks and scoop necks. And I think one of the best options for those types of necklines is this kind of necklace scarf style, which is the twist tie. And I just think this scarf is so pretty, and I wanted to put it with my new pink dress. So I thought this was a great combination. Plus it had that scoop neckline that let you see how good this goes with it. I actually feel a little more modest with it up here as well. So I thought this was a fun way to style the scarf, and it still really shows it off, but it's a good combination because of the way it hangs over it, but also gives you some coverage at the top. And so instead of your chunky necklace, just grab a really pretty scarf and twist tie it and make it easy peasy. I thought this was the most interesting way and most intricate way to tie a scarf. So there's going to be lots of details here. And I have a larger square scarf that I have folded in half to make a triangle. And I'm going to call this the asymmetrical tie because it's asymmetrical and it's cool. And so we're going to take this and we're going to drape it over one shoulder. And you can mirror me or you can follow my instructions, because I think you could do this on either side, but I'm going to start on my right. So I'm going to drape this over my right side and bring it around. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the triangle with my shoulder. So this is what that looks like. And then I'm going to take the left side and pull it to where it just crosses over the right side. Then I'm going to take the right side and flip it over that left one and bring it around the back of my neck. So you have what looks like a really weird scarf right now. But then we're going to take this and I'm going to kind of twist it around my neck just a little bit. And then we're going to tie it on this side. So I'm going to take right over left, and then I'm going to go under with that to create that knot. And then I'm going to go left over right now, and then bring this right one under so we have a nice square knot. And then you can just kind of play with your scarf, get it where you want it, but you have a cute little asymmetrical line here with the tie. So I just thought this one was a lot of fun. So this really cool asymmetrical tied scarf I thought was the perfect option with an asymmetrical neckline. I had just gotten this dress in from Loft and thought, wow, what a perfect pairing together. And it just makes the dress feel a little bit better, and it feels a little bit more elevated. So if you have any tops or dresses that have an asymmetrical neckline, try this. And if you don't and have some open necklines, you can do this and you can just turn the scarf a little bit and play with it and see where you like to sit it. But I just thought this was a fun way that you might not have ever thought about styling a scarf. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.